Welcome back to another 50-question CSCS mock test. These are realistic practice questions to help you prepare for the CITB test and your Level 1 qualification. If you want extra support or to take your Level 1 online, links are in the description. Let's jump straight into question 1. You are asked to work in an area where materials are being lifted by a crane above you. What should you do? A. Walk quickly through the area. B. Stand close to the lifting equipment. C. Don't work directly beneath the suspended load. D. Stay outside the lifting zone and follow site controls. The correct answer is D. Stay outside the lifting zone and follow site controls. Question 2. What should you do if a fire exit route becomes blocked with materials? A. Move the materials or report it immediately. B. Leave them if they will be used later. C. Walk around them carefully. D. Wait until the end of the shift to clear them. The correct answer is A. Move the materials or report it immediately. Question 3. Why should electrical cables be kept off wet ground where possible? A. To reduce cable wear. B. To prevent electric shock risk. C. To make them easier to see. D. To improve power supply. The correct answer is B. To prevent electric shock risk. Question 4. You notice that a safety barrier has been moved, leaving a hazardous area exposed. What should you do? A. Ignore it if others are working nearby. B. Continue working carefully. C. Reinstate the barrier or report it immediately. D. Mark the area with tools. The correct answer is C. Reinstate the barrier or report it immediately. Question 5. Why must safety helmets be worn on construction sites? A. To improve visibility. B. To protect the head from falling or flying objects. C. To keep workers warm. D. To identify job roles. The correct answer is B. To protect the head from falling or flying objects. Question 6. You find a damaged extension lead in your work area. What should you do? A. Continue using it carefully. B. Wrap tape around the damaged section. C. Remove it from use and report it. D. Shorten the cable and reuse it. The correct answer is C. Remove it from use and report it. Question 7. Which of the following best describes a hazard? A. A situation with potential to cause harm. B. An accident that has already happened. C. A written safety document. D. A minor injury. The correct answer is A. A situation with potential to cause harm. Question 8. What is the purpose of a site induction? A. To introduce workers to site hazards and safety procedures. B. To issue wages. C. To train workers in all site skills. D. To allocate shifts. The correct answer is A. To introduce workers to site hazards and safety procedures. Question 9. If strong winds begin while working at height, what should you consider first? A. Whether the work should stop for safety reasons. B. Finishing the job quickly. C. Removing PPE. D. Continuing as normal. The correct answer is A. Whether the work should stop for safety reasons. Question 10. Why should materials not be stacked too high? A. It increases delivery costs. B. It makes counting harder. C. It can become unstable and fall. D. It slows production. The correct answer is C. It can become unstable and fall. Question 11. What is the safest way to pass tools to someone working at height? A. Throw them carefully. B. Use a tool belt or hoisting method. C. Leave them on the edge. D. Slide them across the platform. The correct answer is B. Use a tool belt or hoisting method. Question 12. Why must excavation edges be clearly marked or protected? A. To prevent vehicles entering. B. To reduce collapse risk. C. To prevent people falling in. D. To mark storage areas. The correct answer is C. To prevent people falling in. Question 13. What should you do if you feel unwell while working on site? A. Ignore it and continue working. B. Inform your supervisor and seek help. C. leave without telling anyone. D. Sit down briefly and continue. The correct answer is B. Inform your supervisor and seek help. Question 14. Why should ladders extend above the landing point when used for access? A. To support heavier loads. B. To increase stability on the ground. C. To prevent ladder damage. D. To provide a secure handhold when stepping off. The correct answer is D. To provide a secure handhold when stepping off. Question 15. What is the main purpose of wearing high visibility clothing? A. To improve comfort. B. To identify supervisors. C. To ensure workers can be easily seen. D. To prevent cold weather exposure. The correct answer is C. To ensure workers can be easily seen. Question 16. If a chemical splashes into your eyes, what should you do immediately? A. Continue working. B. Leave the site immediately. C. Rub your eyes. D. Use the nearest eye wash station. The correct answer is D. Use the nearest eye wash station. Question 17. Why should scaffold boards be properly secured? A. To prevent movement or slipping. B. To improve appearance. C. To reduce inspection time. D. To support handrails. The correct answer is A. To prevent movement or slipping. Question 18. What is the purpose of edge-toe boards on scaffolding? A. To support guardrails. B. To provide foot support. C. To strengthen the scaffold frame. D. To prevent materials falling off the platform. The correct answer is D. To prevent materials falling off the platform. Question 19. What should be done if underground cables are suspected during digging? A. Continue digging slowly. B. Stop work and confirm service locations. C. Use heavier machinery. D. Dig deeper quickly. The correct answer is B. Stop work and confirm service locations. Question 20. Why should combustible materials be kept away from heat sources? A. To prevent fire. B. To reduce dust. C. To avoid damage to tools. D. To improve ventilation. The correct answer is A. To prevent fire. Question 21. What is the main purpose of a toolbox talk? A. To discuss specific safety topics before work. B. To record attendance. C. To allocate wages. D. To inspect equipment. The correct answer is A. To discuss specific safety topics before work. Question 22. If you drop debris from height without warning, what risk does this create? A. Noise disturbance. B. Minor dust exposure. C. Reduced productivity. D. Falling object injuries. The correct answer is D. Falling object injuries. Question 23. Why should guardrails be installed on open edges? A. To mark boundaries. B. To improve access. C. To prevent falls from height. D. To store materials. The correct answer is C. To prevent falls from height. Question 24. Which piece of PPE protects your hearing? A. A face shield. B. Gloves. C. Safety goggles. D. Earplug. The correct answer is D. Earplugs. Question 25. Why should lifting equipment have safe working load markings? A. To indicate the maximum load it can safely lift. B. To identify the manufacturer. C. To improve lifting speed. D. To identify inspection dates. The correct answer is A. To indicate the maximum load it can safely lift. Question 26. What should you do if you see smoke coming from electrical equipment? A. Pour water on it. B. Turn off the power if safe and report it. C. Ignore it if it stops quickly. D. Continue using the equipment. The correct answer is B. Turn off the power if safe and report it. Question 27. Why should tools be inspected before use? A. To check ownership. B. To ensure they are safe and functioning properly. C. To record usage. D. To improve speed. The correct answer is B, to ensure they are safe and functioning properly. Question 28. If a colleague collapses on site, what is the first priority? A. Move them immediately. B. Continue working nearby. C. Call for help and alert first aiders. D. Give them water. The correct answer is C. Call for help and alert first aiders. Question 29. Why are warning signs placed near hazards? A. To improve site layout. B. To direct deliveries. C. To increase supervision. D. To alert people to potential dangers. The correct answer is D. To alert people to potential dangers. Question 30. What should you do if your protective equipment becomes damaged during work? A. Continue using it. B. Share another worker's equipment. C. Repair it temporarily. D. Remove it and request a replacement. The correct answer is D. Remove it and request a replacement. Question 31. Why should materials be stored away from access routes? A. To prevent trip hazards and obstruction. B. To reduce theft. C. To improve ventilation. D. To make loading easier. The correct answer is A. To prevent trip hazards and obstruction. Question 32. What is the main risk when using power tools without guards? A. Electrical overload. B. Reduced speed. C. Injury from moving parts. D. Tool overheating. The correct answer is C. Injury from moving parts. Question 33. What should you do if you see someone not wearing required protective equipment? A. Ignore it. B. Challenge them safely or report it. C. Wait until later. D. Continue working. The correct answer is B. Challenge them safely or report it. Question 34. Why must scaffolding have guardrails and mid-rails installed? A. To strengthen the scaffold. B. To prevent people falling from platforms. C. To store tools. D. To improve access. The correct answer is B. To prevent people falling from platforms. Question 35. Which condition increases the risk of slips on site? A. Dry surfaces. B. Bright lighting. C. Wet or muddy ground. D. Clear walkways. The correct answer is C. Wet or muddy ground. Question 36. Why must lifting operations be properly planned? A. To improve efficiency. B. To reduce the risk of accidents during lifting. C. To save fuel. D. To reduce supervision. The correct answer is B. To reduce the risk of accidents during lifting. Question 37. What should be done if you see cracks forming in a wall during demolition work? A. Continue working carefully. B. Stop work and report it immediately. C. Ignore small cracks. D. Move tools away. The correct answer is B. Stop work and report it immediately. Question 38. What is the main purpose of safety training? A. To increase productivity. B. To reduce supervision. C. To meet company policy only. D. To ensure workers understand risks and safe practices. The correct answer is D. To ensure workers understand risks and safe practices. Question 39. Why must gas cylinders be kept away from direct sunlight and heat? A. To prevent pressure, build-up and possible explosion. B. To improve storage space. C. To prevent rust. D. To make transport easier. The correct answer is A. To prevent pressure build-up and possible explosion. Question 40. Why should waste be disposed of properly on site? A. To reduce hazards and maintain safe conditions. B. To improve appearance only. C. To reduce delivery costs. D. To avoid inspections. The correct answer is A. To reduce hazards and maintain safe conditions. Question 41. What should you check before using a power tool? A. That it's the newest model. B. That it has been painted recently. C. That it is safe, undamaged and suitable for the task. D. That someone else has used it. The correct answer is C, that it is safe, undamaged and suitable for the task. Question 42. What is the safest way to cross a site with moving plant vehicles? A. Walk behind the vehicles. B. Cross anywhere carefully. C. Use designated pedestrian crossings. D. Follow the nearest worker. The correct answer is C. Use designated pedestrian crossings. Question 43. What is the purpose of a permit to work system? A. To control high-risk activities safely. B. To increase paperwork. C. To record attendance. D. To manage wages. The correct answer is A. To control high-risk activities safely. Question 44. If you smell gas on site, what should you do first? A. Ignore it if the smell fades. B. Continue working. C. Stop work and report it immediately. D. Try to locate the leak yourself. The correct answer is C. Stop work and report it immediately. Question 45. Why should loads be secured when transported on site vehicles? A. To prevent them falling or shifting. B. To improve speed. C. To reduce vehicle wear. D. To reduce fuel use. The correct answer is A. To prevent them falling or shifting. Question 46. What is the safest response if lighting fails in your work area? A. Continue working slowly. B. Stop work until safe lighting is restored. C. Use phone lights only. D. Move closer to windows. The correct answer is B. Stop work until safe lighting is restored. Question 47. Why should extension ladders be placed at the correct angle? A. To make climbing easier. B. To prevent slipping or tipping. C. To increase ladder height. D. To improve balance. The correct answer is B. To prevent slipping or tipping. Question 48. What should you do if a tool becomes stuck while cutting material? A. Switch off the tool before freeing it. B. Pull harder to release it. C. Hit it with another tool. D. Continue cutting. The correct answer is A. Switch off the tool before freeing it. Question 49. Why must workers follow the site traffic management plan? A. To improve productivity. B. To ensure safe movement of vehicles and pedestrians. C. To reduce supervision. D. To control deliveries. The correct answer is B. To ensure safe movement of vehicles and pedestrians. Question 50. What is the most important principle for working safely on a construction site? A. Work as quickly as possible. B. Rely on personal judgment only. C. Avoid all manual work. D. Follow training, procedures, and safety rules. The correct answer is D. Follow training, procedures, and safety rules. Thanks for watching. If you scored 45 out of 50, you're on track. If you still need your level 1 qualification or want help getting your green card sorted, visit our website. There's a link in the description.